Hey guys, how's it going? How to become a poll worker. So, ensure you meet the state's requirements, typically including being at least 18 years old or a registered voter and a resident of the state. And reach out to your local or state election office to express your interest and get information on the application process. Fill out the necessary application forms provided by the election office and attend required training sessions to learn about your duties and the voting process, and be prepared to assist voters, set up polling at places, and ensure the election runs smoothly. By following these steps, you can become a poll worker and help facilitate the democratic process. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.